first stop since arriving in Boston. We are in Salem, Massachusetts. We're getting ready to go to the oldest house in Salem that has direct ties to the Salem witch trials. So we're gonna have a cool time. We're just not gonna be bitching, it's gonna be witching. What's that? So my wife asked what house we're going to go to first. I said, this house. And she's like, which house? And I was like, this house. And she said, which house? And I was like, no, this house. She said, which house? Interesting fact, Alexander Graham Bell lived here in Salem. I did not know that. That's witching. We're at the Broad Street Cemetery. This cemetery is one of the oldest in the nation. It actually is the final resting spot for the judge that presided over the Salem witch trial. So I'm looking for his tomb. Apparently it's, oh, there it is. It's just that one right behind me. Him and his son are buried right there where the obelisk is. The obelisk right by the Blue House, that's where their final resting spot is. So that one dates to 1856. So there's some old stones out here. 1826. Some of them are so old you can't even read them. They're probably from the 1600s. So we're on the prowl to find Allison's house from Hocus Pocus. So we'll see if we're the focus to find the Hocus Pocus. mostess. I'm gonna stop before I start using words like hostess. Now I want some Twinkies. So this tomb right here of Arthur Forrester Devereux, this guy was a badass. He was wounded in Antietam. He was in the Battle of the Peninsula and Maryland campaigns. He captured 4 Confederates during the Battle of Gettysburg during Pickett's Charge. He was retired or discharged in 1880. So I can't read it. As a brevet brigadier general. It's pretty cool. So behind me is the Pickering House. So I need to make a correction. The last place that we were at, the Witch House, was not the Pickering House that 10 generations lived in. It's this house right here. This is the Pickering House. So after getting some poor directions from my cheat sheet here, we are not going to be able to get to the Hocus Pocus film site before we have to leave Salem. So we were right across this, or 2 houses down from it. It's 2 houses down from the Witch House. So if you come to Salem and you're at the Witch House, go down like 200 feet and you'll be there. All right, so another New England word of the day, liquor. You want to try that one on your own? Liquor?
Liquor.
What?
Liquor.
Liquor? Pretty dang close. Liquor, liquor, liquor.
I'll stay with the liquor.
Not liquor, liquor. So if you ever come to Salem, check out this place. Okay, it's flatbreads. They have candlepin bowling. And if you don't know what candlepin bowling is, and I wish we had more time here in Salem, I could take a video and show you. But basically, it's bowling with a small ball, and the pins look like candlesticks. They look like this instead of the regular bowling pins. So it's pretty cool. So if you have the opportunity to go candlepin bowling, you should try it. It's kind of like skeet ball and bowling mixed, but no ramp and no little holes you gotta try and hit. Stupid little holes. last place we can visit before we have to leave Salem. Unfortunately, we only had about an hour and a half here. Is the Salem Witch Trial Memorial. So they got all these little stones with everybody's names and their hang dates, how they were killed. You can also go over to this area and you can go get your palm read by a psychic. They're very smart. I can tell they're accurate because they didn't come out asking if I wanted it done because they already know the answer. Anyway, that's Salem. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions about Salem, let me know and I'll research it for you.